another video. Is your car not starting? As you can see, trying to turn it, nothing. For the most part, that means you have a dead battery. So I have this Noco Boost Pro hooked up. It's got 4.6 volts. That either means your car's just been sitting there and you just don't even use it at all, or you have a really bad battery. So to start it, that's on. Click this button and it goes up to 11 volts. That means it's ready for it to start. Okay. Oh look, magic. It starts. Huzzah! Now the reason why I'm recording this video is for people to get a jump starter. Instead of relying on other people to bring their car, charge your battery, and jump it for you. This would be a lifesaver, especially if you're an introvert. Just wanna mind your own business, jump your car. You can do that by buying a jump starter. I prefer getting something like this that shows the voltage of your battery in case you don't have a multimeter or a voltmeter. It just shows the status of how many volts your battery has. Obviously, depending on the jump starter you get, you can get something that's a little on the expensive side, like this. I believe, if I'm not mistaken, this costs over $80, but it's worth it. So that way you're not stuck in the road waving at someone to give you a jump. You can just do it yourself. Invest $100 on a good jump starter. That way you can just go on your merry way. Not only that, but just an additional tip, I would suggest everyone getting a battery tester. This is just so you, again, can see the status of your battery. So how you use it, put on gloves so my hands are getting dirty. Press OK. It indicates the power is too low in order for it to skip right to the menu so you can test it. But you can still press OK. Oh, still too low. It was letting me do it before. If it does that, it's because your battery's too low for it to be tested. You can see my screen is flickering now because the battery is just too done. What you can do if you really want to test your battery is connect your jump starter, connect your leads to its corresponding parts. So negative, negative, positive, positive. Now, okay, there you go. You can see the voltage. Press OK, and it'll let you go past that screen. Click battery test. Click the type of battery you have. Cold cranking amps. This one is 700, so you can go ahead and test it. It'll still say it's too low. If you want to continue, press yes. It'll test it for you. And that clicking you hear is because of the jump pack. So here it says it has 140 cold cranking amps, 11.10 volts. It says to charge and then retest. So that doesn't necessarily mean you have a bad battery. Invest in a battery charger as well, in case you don't want to look into getting a battery at the moment. Charge it the whole night. Test the battery again, this time without the jump starter connected, so you can test it again to see if you need to replace the battery or if it's a good known battery. If it's a good known battery and it starts no problem, it's because you let the car sit for a long time and you just don't drive it enough. It's important to drive your car so that way your car just functions with no issues involving the battery. If you have any more questions, or if you just want to follow the channel, you can. Thank you very much and enjoy the rest of your days.